good evening. We are on our way to the park this evening for our walking exercise. It is 7 o'clock at night, pero may araw pa. Siguro mga 2 miles lang. Pwede na. Okay guys, we will see you when we get to the park. Don't go away! Guys, konti na lang pala ang gas namin, kaya dadaan muna kami sa gas station at magkarga muna kami ng gas. We're turning into a gas station. This is Circle K gas station. The last one. Regular is 265 and diesel is 314. Ang Supreme ay 345 a gallon. Kaya ando na si Mr. Benji nagkarga. Self-service kasi dito guys ang lahat, almost lahat ng gas station. Andito na kami guys. We just got here. Set muna natin guys ang Apple Watch sa outdoor walk. Okay. Maganda ang panahon ngayon guys. Maganda ang temperature. The temperature is like 60 something degrees Fahrenheit. Kaya it is a nice weather to walk. Kunti lang tao dito nasa spring break ang mga tao ngayon. Nagbabakasyon. Nasa bakasyon yung mga school kids. Kasi kung hindi spring break ngayon, punong-puno ito ng mga soccer kids. May mga soccer tournament ito kasi ngayon ay soccer season sa mga school-age children. Nagpa-practice din dito, kaya lang family lang ito. Hindi organized practice. Ito solo namin ang walking trail. Kasama din pala kami. Ayan nag-iisa. For now. May luneta din pala dito guys. Naalala nyo yung luneta noon? Naalala ni Mr. Benji. Iwan ko sino kasama niya pumunta doon. May mga naglalakad din pala, hindi lang kami. Ayan. Nauna na doon si Mr. Benji. Kasi kumukuha ako ng picture, kaya habulin ko siya. Ano yung nabutan? Allergy season na ngayon guys. Ang dami ng pollen sa mga kahoy. Ayan oh. Makikita yung mga ano nila, mga buds. Kasi mag-spring na. Ang walking trail guys is around the soccer fields. Right there on the other side are baseball fields. Well, here are very charitable. This whole field, this whole park was donated. Katulad din guys doon sa senior center, donated lang din ang property doon. Ang lupa, ang lote. Tapos yung mga buildings ay ang mga loob donated din. At saka yung mga pagkain subsidized ng government. Kaya nagbabayad ng taxes, okay naman kasi may makikita. Tingnan mo yung kahoy guys, oh. Puti ang puno niya. The trunk of that tree is white, but I don't know what kind of tree that is. It's not dead. It just has a white colored trunk.
The bark just
What time is it, Dad? 7:40? 7:41 and it's getting darker. But the park is well lighted. Right here. Is that the one? Oh, here it is, guys. The one with white colored trunk tree. The bark peels
Okay.
off during the winter. I don't know if it's just during winter.
Okay.
Maybe when it wants to shed. There. It's a big tree. Tall tree. There's another one too. Yan guys, so ang dahon niya ay parang dahon ng maple tree. But we're not sure.
Yeah, it's maybe it's a family of maple.
Yeah,
Yeah, I guess.
maybe it is. There you go. Mentioned before guys that these rocks here is for erosion prevention of the creek around the park.
Exercise ring closed.
Wala kasi ano.
It was still sunny when we left the house a while ago, and now it is already getting dark. So we will go home shortly. We will just finish 2 miles and we will be on our way home.
This is about a little more than 3 kilometers.
This is, yeah, this is 2 miles is more or less 3 kilometers. Okay guys, here we go. We finished 2 miles and we walked for 40 minutes. We are slow today because I was taking videos. So we are on our way out now. I'm still taking videos and there Mr. Benji is waiting for me already to get out of this part. Mr. Benji is a little bit faster than me. He finished 2 miles in 39.5 minutes. Thank you guys for watching and for walking with us. We are on our way out now.
Our heartbeat went up.
Yeah, he said his heartbeat went up. How
I think
fast
I
is
got
it?
119.
119? Let me see mine. Mine is 100. My heartbeat went up to 135.
Woo!
I think that's just the average. Sometimes when I do my exercise, it goes as high as 180. Thank you guys. Kung sino ang hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel namin, kindly subscribe. We will truly appreciate your subscription. We will see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.